Assalamu alaikum. Now we are discussing the industrial wiring circuit. We define it, the circuit which runs AC, DC, electrical machine like induction motor, generator and transformer. That is called industrial wiring circuit. We have previously discussed the industrial building circuit. In that circuit, we uh, runs the thing like iron, bulb, fan, ceiling fan, pedestal fan, and other little electrical components. But in a broader sense, the industrial wire circuit, the induction motors, generator, and transformer. Now let's see circuit. We have two bus bar, negative terminals and positive terminals. The negative terminals is fixed in the socket. Socket is required the two type current, the negative and positive. This is the negative neutral here, and now the positive current fuse attached to the positive line, and here is the energy meter, DC energy meter. DC energy meter, the phase is terminal here and output terminal is then again fused. Then again fused is means more safety of the wiring system. The positive line is terminal here. Switch, and now from this switch to this switch, the positive terminals here. This terminal, now this terminal positive line wire is attached or joined to this bulb or any device here. The same thing, the socket is required positive and negative, and the switch required the both positive lines. The same circuit, you are only required the material like the main switch, fuse and DC energy meters, and two switch and one socket. This is only you can prepare the industrial wiring circuit. Later we shall show you the practical demonstration of this. Now if you liked our video, you please subscribe, like and comments. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.